guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Bumblebee from Transformers Animated. If you must know, Bumblebee is one of the main protagonists in Transformers Animated, and believe me, I know he's a bit of a, he's not like the Bumblebee from the original movie, but he's like Sorry's best friend. And, well, he's also Bulkhead's buddy. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, here's this little horn on his head. Here are the grill marks here. Next up is his neck. Okay, there's his body. Okay, next up, here's his tire. Okay, next up, here's his hand. Everybody knows how the future is going. Watch out, next stop might be home. But even that's not where Pokemon will end. There's even more adventures. Right around the There we go. There's his hand. Okay. Okay, next up, here's his feet. And here's the tire. Oh, and one last thing, his backpack. And there. That is how you draw a bumblebee. Pretty impressive, don't you think? I know he doesn't look like much, but he does have the mask, which I can't remember now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of transformer I'll show you guys how to draw next. Well, bye for now.